SentinelOne stock has earned a couple of upgrades today, the 6th of December 2023, and as things stand right now in this regular session, it is up 19.65%. So these are a couple of those upgrades. You can see Canaccord Genuity adjusts SentinelOne price target to $24 from $17, maintains hold rating. Piper Sandler raises price target on SentinelOne to $25 from $17, keeps neutral rating. Raymond James adjusts price target on SentinelOne to $26 from $22, keeps a strong buy rating. Guggenheim adjusts target to $26 from $19, keeps buy rating. FBN Securities adjusts price target from to $28 from $20, keeps outperform rating. TD Cohen adjusts price target to $30 from $20, keeps outperform rating. DA Davidson price target is adjusted to $22 from $16.5, keeps neutral rating. A couple of them, and we also have from Morningstar the recent result report here. They're saying that they're raising their fair value estimate for no-moat SentinelOne to $18 from $14 after the firm closed out a stronger third quarter with financial results above their prior estimates. Along with financial results, they are encouraged to see a reacceleration of net new annual recurring revenue, a measure of new business SentinelOne was able to land in the quarter. Despite the strong quarterly performance, they are reiterating their long-term view that SentinelOne is a small player in a competitive extended detection and response space dominated by larger, well-entrenched vendors like CrowdStrike and Microsoft. Even after their fair value estimate increase, they view SentinelOne shares as trading at a premium to their fair value estimate. So this is it's a bit different from quite divergent from what those other analysts are saying. So SentinelOne's third quarter sales clocked in at $164 billion, up 42% over year-over-year. Annual recurring revenue expanded a similar 43% over year-over-year to $664 million. Okay, they are particularly impressed by SentinelOne's ability to add $52 million in net new annual recurring revenue in the quarter despite the tough macroeconomic environment. So while SentinelOne's growth in annual recurring revenue and sales is impressive, some of the shine rubs off when compared with CrowdStrike, SentinelOne's closest competitor. CrowdStrike, in its most recent quarterly results, reported an annual recurring revenue of $3.15 billion, growing at a 35% growth rate. While SentinelOne's goal is to land and expand larger enterprise clients, they believe CrowdStrike maintains a first mover advantage in a security market with high customer switching costs. Okay, let's see what we have down here. Okay, so in a turbulent macro environment where investors are increasingly focused on a path to profitability for nascent companies like SentinelOne, they find the firm's increased focus on operational discipline and efficiency as a pertinence. Buoyed by strong top-line growth coupled with increased emphasis on cost savings, SentinelOne expanded its quarterly adjusted operating margin to negative 11%, up from negative 43% a year ago. So yeah, that's those are the sentiment. That's the piece written, or is that what would I call it? An analyst note from Morningstar. So this is how things stand right now. We have so far 7.75 million shares have crossed the tape. So we have we can get a fair idea of the sort of trading range market participants are looking at right now, roughly between 22.53 and 24.75 as things stand right now. I believe SentinelOne is optionable. It is optionable. Okay, so let's quickly have a look and see what's going on the chart for SentinelOne. Yeah, okay, so the stock has been rallying within a longer term uptrend, I want to believe. Yeah, that's what the logic is saying here. So it appears to be in a strong bullish trend. It's 200 day moving average is upward sloping, and the MACD histogram is above zero. It's also outperforming the S&P 500. So as things stand right now, the auto regression tool seems to be projecting that some moderation might be in place, or is probably required. But what is absolutely certain is that it has the auto regression projection for its price has a confluence with its one of its Fibonacci projections. So it's indicating that $19.7 is likely to be a support. It's currently trading at 23.94 right now. So there's a good chance that that support might be intact. It doesn't mean that it won't drop below that or anything. But what is actually saying is that it, to some extent, or implying is that if it drops below $19.7, that it may present a buying opportunity. But as things stand right now, with the 19.47%, you might expect that in subsequent sessions that you might move sideways or not, or it may actually continue to extend. It's the rally in the stock has been in place since late November, exactly 1 week ago. So it has just continued to show strength. Just moved sideways on over the midweek of last week, and moved dipped slightly yesterday, but it has not spiked. So amongst other things, yes, this support is being forecasted, is being projected all the way towards maybe about a week or 2 weeks from today, or thereabout. I would say around maybe 2 weeks from today. It's projected that it might okay, well, what I can conclude is that if between now and 2 weeks from today, if the stock drops below $19.7, there's a good chance it might present a buying opportunity. As things stand right now, it doesn't mean that you shouldn't buy it, but I wouldn't get involved right now with giving this 19% spike. So, but in any case, things are sounding quite impressive with the stock. They're sounding quite impressive with the stock. So this is its weekly chart. So we have let's see, projections. With this, the auto regression is projecting the price of $16.93. It's so actually currently trading at a premium to those sort of projections. So yeah, this is how things stand right now. So let's see. So in any case, just see what you make of SentinelOne, and I'll definitely continue to update you. It's on the move in this regular session. Let's get the volume so far. Volume so far is 23.863. Sorry, volume so far is 8.23 million shares, and up 19.65%. So thank you very much for watching this video.